Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. In today's video, I'm going to show you something I wasn't quite aware about it earlier. Now these are my Echeveria Love Rain. They're absolutely beautiful succulents. Now they do not have a lot of color because one, they are Echeverias, they are in their growing period, due to which all the colors have disappeared. But I will show you how this succulent looked earlier before I repotted it into this container. Because I had made a video on this. Now this is something I was not very sure, because I had put this succulent in this probably by mistake. This is also Echeveria Love Rain, but it never opened up, whereas the other plants are the other succulents have opened up, but this one has been closed from the day I have put it in, and I didn't quite realize what exactly is happening. And I've realized that when I cut this part off, this was actually a bloom stalk that I had planted in this. It's not actually a mother plant, or it was not actually a pup, but it was a bloom stalk that I had planted. So I'm going to take it out and see what exactly is it doing, if it's putting out any roots or not. So I just realized it now that it was actually a part of the bloom stalk that was added into the soil. But to be honest, I don't see any roots. I'm not very sure if this is going to root, because it's been quite some time that it's in this pot, and I just happened to realize it now, because I do remember someone had asked me a question whether if you cut the bloom stalk and put it into the soil, will it root? But I don't think that's going to happen, because this entire thing looks like it was a bloom stalk that I accidentally planted in this rather than throwing it out. Which I'm absolutely fine, because I do see that the leaves are not dried out, but they are very compact, probably because it's not putting out any roots, because this is a part of it's going to be much clearer now, because you can see this is a part of the bloom stalk. The good part is that it has dried up, but it's not doing anything. It's not putting out any roots, or it's not doing anything, because it's been quite some time that it's been in this pot, but it hasn't been doing anything apart from just staying in the soil like that. These are the leaves, and this is the bloom stalk. You can see these are the flowers, and this is where the flowers were about to start. And now I'm not very sure what's going to happen next, but I'm still going to keep it in the soil. It hasn't rooted even a bit, even after watering. It's just the same way how it was. Only thing that the cut has healed up, but it's just been like that. And I was just wondering, why is it not opening up? And I just realized that it is the upper portion of the bloom stalk that was added in the soil, and you can see it is just like that. It has done nothing. So I think most probably they do not put out roots, because I had a question about it long time back, that will the bloom stalk root if I put it into the soil. So it's been more than 2 to 3 months, I guess. It's been more than 2 to 3 months, but I don't see any roots, because if it had to put out roots, it would have put out roots by now. But still, there is no harm in experimenting. So I'm just going to put it back into the soil how it was earlier, but it has definitely not opened up, because obviously there are no roots, so it cannot open up. But probably it will dry out very soon, but I'm just going to let it be in it as it is. But you can see the mother plant is doing extremely well. A little bit of dirt, I'll just clear it out. And I clear off the rocks or any dust like this, and let's see what happens next. I don't have much hopes on it, because it's a flower stalk, so I don't think anything is going to happen with that. But if the roots ever come up, I will definitely keep you updated, which 99% I don't think that's going to happen. But overall, the mother plant is doing extremely well. There is a pup as well. The colors will not be visible right now because it's in its growing season. Probably during winters, the colors will become very intense. It will get a very reddish orange color. Right now it's completely green, which is fine. It shows that the plant is in its growing season. So at this point of time, if you want to add any fertilizers, you can do that because it's in its growing season. But always remember, do not over fertilize it. But always remember, do not over fertilize your succulents. You can do a liquid you can add liquid fertilizer after diluting it in a liter of water, probably once a month or once in 2 months. So after I was done with the video, I was just checking on the previous video which I was cutting this particular succulent, and I was showing you that there is a pup and there was another pup. Now I should have waited for some more time because I thought it is a pup, but actually it was a bloom stalk. So in this video I had cut it off and I had said that this is a pup, but actually it was a bloom stalk. So when I went back again to my previous videos, I realized that I accidentally cut off a bloom stalk thinking that it is a pup, and then that is the reason why it never opened up, because it was a part of the bloom stalk. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.